Welcome back to Drive Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most mind-blowing topics shaping the world right now, the incredible megaprojects currently under construction across the United States in 2025. These aren't just massive buildings or infrastructure developments, they represent a vision of the future. The U.S. is investing billions into futuristic architecture, advanced transport networks, smart energy grids, and urban design innovations that will change how we live, work, and travel in the next decade. So sit tight as we explore America's biggest, boldest, and most expensive megaprojects of 2025, their progress, performance, and how much money is actually going into building the future. Let's start with one of the most fascinating and talked about developments, the American Center for Innovation and Sustainability. Located in Texas, this futuristic hub is designed to be a city within a city. It's powered entirely by renewable energy, featuring a massive solar canopy system that supplies electricity to all nearby districts. What makes this project so unique is its self-sustaining design. It integrates AI-based waste management, autonomous public transport, and smart water recycling systems. The total cost is estimated to exceed $22 billion, and according to engineers working on site, it's already 70% complete as of August 2025. Once finished, it will house over 300 tech companies, 50,000 workers, and thousands of residents. This megaproject aims to position the U.S. as the global leader in sustainable urban development. Next up, we have the U.S. Hyperloop Network, a futuristic transportation system connecting major cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, Las Vegas, and Phoenix through ultra-high-speed pods that can travel up to 760 miles per hour. In 2025, test runs have shown incredible performance with safe, stable rides and near-zero emissions. The California test corridor is fully operational, and ticket prices for the first commercial line are expected to start at around $90 per trip. This project could completely transform American travel, shrinking what used to be a 6-hour drive into just 40 minutes. The full network, once complete, will be a $60 billion infrastructure masterpiece, connecting millions of people and reshaping regional economies. Now, let's move to the coastline where another futuristic megaproject is changing the face of architecture, the Atlantic Quantum Tower in New York. Standing at over 1,800 feet tall, it's one of the tallest hybrid smart buildings ever constructed in the U.S. The building integrates a fully digital infrastructure with AI energy control systems that automatically adjust lighting, air, and temperature based on the number of people inside. What's truly revolutionary is that it has its own internal ecosystem: indoor vertical gardens, natural air filters, and solar glass panels. The total estimated cost is around $7.5 billion, and the project is set to open by mid-2026. Real estate analysts predict that it will redefine luxury living and corporate headquarters in the country. Another American megaproject that's making global headlines is the California Water Resilience Project. After years of drought and water shortage, the state launched one of the largest water recycling and desalination projects in history. Massive underground pipelines and advanced filtration systems are being installed to transport purified ocean water across key agricultural regions. The price tag: a staggering $40 billion. But the performance has been promising. The first phase has already delivered clean water to 4 million residents, cutting California's water import needs by 20%. By 2027, experts believe this system will become a model for sustainable water management across the world. Now let's talk about something truly futuristic: the Las Vegas Spaceport project. Yes, the U.S. is officially entering the era of commercial space tourism. The Las Vegas Spaceport is designed to handle both orbital flights and high-altitude suborbital trips. The facility includes massive vertical launch pads, passenger terminals, and a training complex for future astronauts. The project is valued at over $12 billion, and several private space companies have already invested in it. Test launches have been successful, and by the end of 2025, it's expected to host its first commercial tourist flights. Ticket prices are rumored to start at around $250,000 per passenger, but the technology behind it, reusable rockets, rapid fuel systems, and AI-controlled ground operations, is what's setting the benchmark for the future of aerospace infrastructure. Switching gears to energy innovation, the American renewable grid expansion is another groundbreaking megaproject underway. It's a $100 billion investment to modernize the country's power grid, integrating wind, solar, hydro, and nuclear systems into a smart digital grid capable of rerouting energy in real time. By 2025, more than 60% of the system has been deployed across states like Arizona, Nevada, and Colorado. The performance results have been outstanding. Energy wastage is down by 35%, and blackout risks are at a record low. With global energy demand increasing, this grid expansion is one of the smartest, most essential projects America has ever built. Now, in the transportation sector, one of the most ambitious megaprojects of 2025 is the American Interstate Revitalization Program, a $1.2 trillion federal investment aimed at rebuilding highways, bridges, and smart road systems across all 50 states. Roads are being equipped with sensors and wireless charging lanes for electric vehicles, and autonomous driving corridors are under testing in key areas like Texas and Florida. This project is not just about smoother roads, it's about transforming American mobility. With EV adoption rates growing, these smart roads could support over 50 million electric cars by 2030. Another visually stunning and futuristic structure that's making waves in 2025 is the Pacific Coastal Dome, an enormous dome-shaped entertainment and technology complex located in San Francisco. The building's architecture looks like something out of science fiction. It's covered in reflective glass and powered by advanced geothermal energy. Inside, it includes research labs, exhibition centers, and AI-driven art installations. The construction cost stands around $15 billion, and it's already being called the Silicon Valley of entertainment. Its performance systems are top-notch, fully climate-controlled, energy self-sufficient, and capable of hosting over 200,000 visitors daily once operational. Let's not forget about America's defense-related megaprojects, especially the new Strategic Defense Headquarters being built in Virginia. This ultra-secure underground complex is designed to coordinate all U.S. cyber defense, space surveillance, and advanced weapon research under one roof. It's valued at over $25 billion, with construction using reinforced smart materials and deep earth bunkers capable of surviving natural disasters or attacks. According to defense reports, 80% of the digital infrastructure has already been completed, and the facility's AI defense network has been tested with near-perfect results. This is not just another building, it's a technological fortress. When it comes to sustainability, the Green America Corridor is another megaproject worth highlighting. Stretching from New Mexico to Illinois, this corridor integrates clean energy generation, high-speed freight, and digital connectivity in one massive line of infrastructure. The U.S. Department of Energy expects it to reduce carbon emissions by 40% across connected regions. The total cost? Around $80 billion. But this corridor is expected to pay for itself within 2 decades through energy savings and green logistics profits. Now let's talk prices and economics. Most of these megaprojects have seen rising costs due to inflation and global material shortages. For instance, the average price of steel and concrete used in high-rise buildings has gone up by 15% in 2025 alone. Labor costs have also increased as demand for skilled engineers and AI technicians skyrockets. But here's the good part: technology is reducing long-term costs. AI-based construction systems are cutting project time by nearly 20%, and modular construction methods are saving billions in logistics. Public-private partnerships have become the main driving force behind these massive builds. Companies like Tesla Infrastructure, Bechtel, and SpaceX are teaming up with federal agencies to share both risk and reward. The focus is not just on making the biggest structures, but also the smartest and most sustainable ones. The average investment return on these megaprojects is expected to hit 7% annually once fully operational, a solid figure considering their massive upfront costs. Moving forward, we also need to mention the new Chicago Skyline redevelopment project. This ambitious plan is transforming downtown Chicago into a zero-emission district with vertical gardens, AI-managed traffic, and drone delivery networks. The new skyline includes futuristic glass towers with green terraces and self-cleaning facades. With a budget of $35 billion, the project aims to make Chicago the first fully smart city in the Midwest by 2028. Looking at performance, 2025 has been a landmark year for innovation, but also for speed. Thanks to robotics, drones, and AI supervision, megaprojects that once took decades are now advancing faster than ever. For example, 3D concrete printers are now being used to create full structural components on site. In the Las Vegas Smart City District, autonomous construction vehicles are laying roads and building foundations with precision accuracy, cutting manual labor time in half. By the end of 2025, the U.S. is expected to have invested more than $500 billion in megaprojects nationwide, an unprecedented amount in recent history. And it's not just about infrastructure. These projects symbolize America's resurgence in global leadership for technology, sustainability, and design. Whether it's a futuristic skyscraper that cleans its own air, or a highway that charges your car while driving, these are not dreams anymore, they're happening right now. So when people ask, is it worth the price? The answer is simple, yes. Because the real value of these megaprojects is not just in steel and glass, but in the future they're building. Every billion-dollar investment today lays the foundation for the next century of American progress. And that's something worth paying for. So, what do you think about the United States 2025 megaprojects? Are these futuristic constructions the key to a better future, or is America spending too much on technological ambition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear your opinions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Drive Auto Reviews for more deep dives into the world's most incredible innovations and mega engineering wonders. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future.